All right, listen to this scenario. We just bought a scratch-off ticket. We won $300,000. Which 28-foot boat are you buying with that 300 grand? As for me, I'm choosing the Blue Water 2850. But comment below, let me know. If you got 300 grand, you've got to purchase a 28-foot boat. What are you going after? What's on your shopping list? You're looking at mine right here.